Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sparks and safety with our guide on the best welding helmets. From superior optics to advanced protection, we've got the top picks to enhance your welding experience. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, finding the perfect helmet is crucial. Stick around as we unveil the ultimate choices for your welding arsenal. Let's spark it up together. Number 1. Yes Welder Large Viewing Screen Welding Helmet. Yes Welder welding products have earned a reputation for delivering excellent value for your investment. This welding helmet encompasses numerous features typically found in higher-priced models, and it boasts the most extensive viewing area among those we evaluated. The color quality is commendable, if not exceptional, and while the optical clarity of 1/1/1/2 falls short of perfection, it maintains a professional standard. The auto-darkening speed, at 1/10,000 second, may be slower compared to some counterparts, but it is still deemed entirely safe. Notably, the controls for shade, delay, sensitivity, and grinding mode are conveniently located on the exterior of the helmet, facilitating ease of use even with gloved hands. Nevertheless, the combination of its affordable price and a competitive array of features positions it as one of the top welding helmets in terms of value for money. Although this welding helmet relies on Amazon replacement batteries, it doesn't compromise on build quality, providing users with a reliable and durable experience. Furthermore, it adheres to various safety standards, including ANSI Z87-1 EN379CE and CSA Z94-3, ensuring it stands out as a highly secure welding helmet. Pros: comprehensive feature set, easy-to-use controls, very affordable, inbuilt solar cell for power. Cons: headgear could be improved. Number 2. 2LOM Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Despite the existence of so-called clear view technologies, many welders find themselves lifting their welding hood to inspect their work or engage in quick filing or sawing tasks. While most welding helmets offer this feature, the raised portion can impede movement. The Tullium flip-up helmet presents a swift and convenient alternative, allowing only the lens section to lift out of the way. The specifications of the Tullium flip-up align with many other budget models. It boasts an optical clarity rating of 1/1/1/2, with improved color accuracy through True Color technology, albeit retaining a slight blue/green tint. The reaction time is swift at 1/10,000 second. The controls are straightforward, although the manual dials lack the precision of digital displays. Despite the flip-up section reducing the screen size, it remains larger than most passive welding helmets. Although slightly heavier than its counterparts, the headgear provides sufficient support. Given its affordable price, the Tullium flip-up welding helmet proves to be an intriguing option for beginners or occasional welders. While some minor issues have been reported, the overall performance, comfort, and visibility offered by this helmet make it a worthwhile investment. Pros: convenient flip-up lens, simple controls, very low cost, multifunction control knob. Cons: modest viewing area. Number 3. Lincoln Electric K3034-4 Viking 3350 Helmet. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 stands out among users and in independent reviews, and for good reason. Its remarkable lens, one of the largest available, boasts optical perfection rated at 1/1/1/1. Lincoln Electric employs 4C technology to achieve lifelike color reproduction, setting it apart. With an impressive auto-darkening speed of 1/25,000 second, it offers swift and reliable protection. The wide shade range, coupled with controls for sensitivity and delay, provides a high level of customization and precise control. The grind mode button, conveniently located on the helmet's side, requires a deliberate 3-second press to prevent accidental activation. There's minimal room for criticism when it comes to the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. The X6 headgear ensures commendable comfort, although occasional reports suggest the tightening knob may work loose. While competitively priced considering its feature set, it may exceed the budget of many hobbyist welders. The helmet features a substantial 12.5 square-inch auto-darkening lens measuring 3.74 inches by 3.34 inches. Not only is it generously sized, but its shade range of 5 to 13 proves more than sufficient for the majority of users. The comfortable design, with X6 headgear contouring to the user's head, allows for prolonged use with ease. Number 4. Depro Solar-Powered Welding Helmet. Depro, a well-known brand for welding accessories, offers a range of products, including various welding helmets. In this article, we highlight one of the standout options from Depro. Depro's welding helmet presents an excellent choice for those on a budget or seeking a value-for-money option. Remarkably affordable, This fully solar-powered welding helmet eliminates the need for frequent recharging. Despite its economical price point, it features a comfortably large 385-inch x 315-inch viewing area, ensuring convenient and ergonomic welding experiences. The welding helmet also boasts a substantial April 9, 13 shade range that can be effortlessly adjusted. Given its budget nature, the absence of a manufacturer's warranty is notable, with only Amazon's 30-day return policy provided. However, the build quality is commendable considering its cost. The filter swiftly transitions between states within a range of 0-1 to 1-0, depending on your selected settings. User-friendly controls simplify the adjustment of these settings. Notably, the helmet's lightweight design, weighing only 1 pound, adds to its appeal, ensuring comfortable use during extended welding sessions. Number 5. Isab 0700000800 Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. The Isab Sentinel A50 welding helmet not only captures attention with its immediate visual appeal but also brings practical advantages through its robust, impact-resistant shell. The ergonomic headgear's central pivot, coupled with its low-profile shape, ensures the shell remains close to the head when raised. This design proves particularly beneficial in industrial welding scenarios with limited overhead space. Beyond providing enhanced head and neck protection, it offers excellent peripheral vision. While a hard hat adapter is available at an extra cost, the curved shape may occasionally reflect glare, typically having minimal impact on the actual lens area. This panel allows for precise adjustments to shade, delay, and sensitivity, with the added convenience of storing up to 8 different setting combinations for quick access. The optical precision of 1/1/1/1 ensures clear vision with true colors. With a reaction speed of 1/25,000 second, it delivers swift protection. The Halo headgear, featuring a 5-point contact design, offers high comfort and ergonomic support, making it suitable for prolonged use. Pros: 8 memory settings, impact-resistant shell, eye-catching design. Cons: occasional screen glare.